Hello, this is Stan with the 3 Fs. Here are my easy wine pairing ideas. Wine made easy. When you walk in and start shopping for wine, it's easy to get intimidated by all those choices. Especially when you are trying to pick out something to go with a certain dish. Just relax, here are a few reds and white wine examples to pair with different foods. Use this as a guide. When pairing with a steak, it could be a different cut of steak if you prefer. Be flexible and creative when pairing and cooking. White wines, a good Pinot. Calamari, rock shrimp salad, recipe video coming soon. Sautéed calamari with tomatoes, mussels and clams. Poached red snapper with avocado, white peach and cilantro salsa. Pan-roasted breast of chicken with morels and arugula. Sauvignon Blanc, chicken breast stuffed with goat cheese, basil and sun-dried tomatoes. Grilled swordfish with sautéed shrimp and crab. Pan-seared Chilean sea bass with crispy onions and Chive Beurre Blanc cast iron roasted seafood sizzle with lemon. 5 or more spices marinated herb chicken. Baked Alaskan halibut with fresh herbs, with roasted red potatoes. Red wines, a good Merlot. Seasoned filet mignon with whole garlic. Slow roasted lamb steak. Pan roasted New York steak with onions and warm spinach. Marinated T-bone steak. Grilled black pepper cowboy ribeye steak. Pinot Noir. Prosciutto wrapped pork tenderloin. Braised Cornish hen with potatoes. Braised veal loin with mushrooms. Grilled boneless leg of lamb. Braised short rib stew with truffle rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of future videos. Also, leave us a comment, we would love to know what you think.